In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using Trading 212. By the end, you'll have your Trading 212 account set up. You'll find an S&P 500 UCITS ETF, place a buy order, and if you want, schedule automatic recurring investments. First, set up your account. Open the Trading 212 app or website and register with your email. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete verification. This usually means submitting a photo ID and confirming your details. Wait for the verification to be approved. Once that's done, deposit funds. Click or tap deposit, choose the amount, select your payment method, and confirm. If you see a confirmation of the deposit or an updated cash balance, you're ready to invest. Next, search for S&P 500 ETFs. Go to the search bar by clicking the magnifying glass icon. In the search field, type S&P 500. You'll see a list of results. Keep the focus on UCITS ETFs, which are commonly available to UK and EU investors on Trading 212. Now select a fund. Three common low-cost UCITS options you'll see are VUSA, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF that distributes dividends. VUAG, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF that accumulates, meaning it automatically reinvests dividends back into the fund. IUSA, which is the iShares Core S&P 500 UCITS ETF that distributes dividends. Click into the one you prefer. If you want dividends paid out as cash, choose a distributing fund like VUSA or IUSA. If you'd rather have dividends automatically reinvested to buy more units over time, choose an accumulating fund like VUAG. On the fund page, briefly review the summary to confirm you've selected the correct S&P 500 UCITS ETF. Once you've chosen the fund, buy shares. Click the Buy button. Decide whether you want to enter the amount in cash or in number of shares, and make sure the toggle reflects your choice. If you prefer to invest a fixed amount of money, switch to cash and type the amount you want to invest. If you prefer a specific number of shares, switch to shares and enter the quantity. Double-check the preview so you can see the estimated number of shares or the estimated cash total before continuing. When you're ready, confirm to execute the order. You'll see a confirmation when the order is placed, and once it's filled, the ETF will appear in your portfolio. At this point, your S&P 500 investment is in place. If you want to automate ongoing contributions, you can set up Auto Invest. This step is optional. From the same ETF page, select Auto Invest. Choose your schedule, such as weekly or monthly, enter the amount you want to invest each time, and confirm. Review the summary so you're comfortable with the timing and amount. Once you save it, Trading 212 will handle your recurring purchases on the schedule you set. You can return here anytime to pause, edit, or cancel the plan if your situation changes. To recap what you've seen on screen, you created and verified your Trading 212 account, deposited funds, searched for S&P 500 using the magnifying glass, selected a UCITS ETF such as VUSA, VUAG, or IUSA, clicked Buy, chose your amount in cash or shares, and executed the order. Optionally, you enabled Auto Invest to make regular, scheduled purchases without manual steps each time. Your setup is now complete. You've successfully invested in the S&P 500 on Trading 212. And if you enabled Auto Invest, your recurring investments are scheduled and ready to run. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.